Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to turn off watch history on YouTube, and all you have to do is to launch the YouTube application. Then you're going to tap on the gear icon after you've tapped on your profile, and then you're going to scroll down until you see manage all history. And then from here, the only way we can do that is by delinking some of the histories that we've watched on YouTube. You can decide to delete it by range, either deleting the videos you watched today on a custom range or on all time. Under custom range, you're going to notice that you're going to input some discs that you decided to watch some of your YouTube videos, and once you've tapped on next, you are going to confirm your deletion. Once I tap on delete, they're going to be deleted, and then we went to tap and got it. From there, I've already deleted all the videos that I've been watching. In the case that there are still somewhere, you can still decide to delete them on auto delete by putting that your YouTube history, but other than 3 months, or then you can choose between 18 months and 36 months are going to be deleted. And once you tap on next, you're going to see that I do not have any, but if the case I did have any, they're going to be deleted. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.